Okay, we have our side view. Now I'd like to talk about three-quarter views. So, a very simple view is if you imagine you've got the vehicle and you just turn it this way. You don't tip it like this, you just rotate it slightly towards you. Okay. One thing about knowing where to put the shading, which is useful, is to have an appreciation of the section through the bodywork. The problem is with a perfect side view, if you draw a section line, you just see a straight line. Yeah. So it doesn't tell you much. So first of all, if we just tip this vehicle slightly this way, not very much initially. So I'm going to see a little bit more of the front. I'm going to see the other wheel here and the rear one. I'll see less of the rear, so this will be slightly shortened. So now if I draw section lines on here, I'll actually be able to see a little bit of the surface. And these lines at the front here will be pretty much horizontal. unless we have some kind of a feature which is dipping down in the front view. And the wheels will be slightly elliptical in this view. Now what happens if we turn it even more? Something like this. All these heights will be the same. So we can take them directly off the side view. Okay. The wheelbase, because I've done this wheel, it's about half the normal width of the circle. Then the wheelbase is going to be about half as well, maybe a bit less. So it might be something like this. The other thing you can do is look at how many wheels there are in the wheelbase, and this is just under 3. So that seems about right. Then we've got that rear wheel arch feature. The side itself is fairly upright. And we'll see very little behind the wheel because it's going in plan. This is about in the middle of the wheel, where that door comes in.